Well, hello and welcome to our Christmas time video podcast. Um, this is actually our Christmas village that we're going to be showing you, and I'm pleased that we can offer this to you as sort of our Christmas gift. I'll give you a tour of what I do when I'm not talking to bar students. And for those of you that were wondering, no, today's message isn't about the bar exam, it's just about being a kid and having some fun. So enjoy, and I'll give you the tour of what we call Mumeyville in a moment of incredible egotistical fun. We hope you enjoy this look at our Christmas village. It started basically as one oval of railroad track around a Christmas tree, and over the years it's obviously grown. Today we've got about 300 square feet of display space in different areas. What you're looking at right now is sort of the prime residential area, and up on the top is a business area. And then over to the left-hand side, you'll see there's a Christmas ski area that has developed over the years as well. What you're looking at here is one of our Christmas trains. We have several, and it's running past department stores and other shops. Now here's our outdoor scene, and lots of interesting stuff going on there. We've got people watching some hockey practice and buying their Christmas trees. One of the great things about these villages now is that there's so much activity and movement and lights that you can add to them. The gondolas you've probably seen elsewhere, but they're kind of fun to have. In this snow mountain village, we've got skiers and sledders. The lights twinkle underneath the snow, and I think that's Santa up there on the top. Our trolley car comes from Hershey, Pennsylvania, and it's a Hershey's chocolate trolley car. It makes its way through the ski lodge and then into the downtown area, and then running between Town Hall on your left there and the other buildings. The train, of course, is running up on an elevated track. And as you look in here a little closer to our singers, they're caroling, and this is again the sorts of things that are available now. We'll listen to the carolers as they're singing and moving throughout. The detail is really quite extraordinary in these pieces. There's also a lot of fiber optic lighting if you're interested in that sort of thing. You see a lot of fiber optics there. Our train station, and lots of people engaged in coming home for the holidays, we would presume. We even have an old-time gas station there. That's back when gas cost something less than $4 a gallon. And some fiber optics on the department store. This is one of the things that's really been added to many of these pieces, is that they're much more intricate these days than ever before, and it really makes for wonderful display. And as our trolley heads back up the hill and through downtown. By the way, that department store right there on the right is Lacey's. We did not name it that. That was the way it came. Of course, with a dog named Lacey, we had to add that. And a trolley running downtown next to the ice skaters. One of our favorite pieces is Marley's Counting House. This is Scrooge meeting the ghosts of Christmas past, present, and future. And yes, I love my trains. Not as much as I love my family, but I love my trains. And there's our fishing shack, and some outdoor look there. I'm not sure what the deer are looking at. Something important. These bridges and the wood and stone is really amazingly intricate. And even the people now have been designed to sit on those stones. Paramount Hotel is downtown, next to a movie theater. And those children swing all day. I don't know where they get that kind of energy. It's amazing. One of the several churches we have in the layout and manger scene. And again, the twinkling snow blankets just give such a nice feeling, and lots of movement throughout the display. There are something on the order of 150 to 200 separate pieces involved in this display. The amount of wiring underneath would cause the commercial city building inspector to have a heart attack and probably shut us down if they knew what we were doing. Some people have described this as my version of a tort hypothetical waiting to happen. You can think of all the possibilities here. This is another piece here, trimming the Christmas tree. This is not a dead person. He's actually trying to make a snow angel, but apparently he's run out of energy. You begin to get some sense of the size and scope and movement here. Up in the corner there is Santa going across the moon with his reindeer. Not very good camera work, but you at least get the sense of it, I hope. And we have our carolers standing in front of the town sign. And we hope you enjoyed it.